Jamie Gaming SG here. Hi. We're gonna play Minecraft. Okay, we're gonna play Minecraft. How did we do this? Hey, I already done the credits. So
The credit ones is super boring.
yeah, let's start. Ouch! Hey, just get it, Pony, just like that. Okay, gonna do this.
So,
Oh, you see, you can parkour when you're not getting the food. I don't want. Oh no!
what?
My wood.
What the?
My favorite block. You see, just get it. Oh, you died. Now I don't have blocks. No way, I got my blocks. Oh, where's my blocks? Yeah, where's my blocks? You see, what the? Wait, this is gonna take longer, guys. So just wait. Okay, guys, start over. So, this is where I'm done. Okay. What? I just don't touch the pleasure plate, you die.
Yeah, you
There's things in it. Wait. Okay. Go. Oh my gosh! Whoa. This sugar. Oh, Jimmy, the sugar is that. What is this? That's sugar box. Okay. It's a super. No, don't. Okay. Maybe there is a key under these boxes. Sure. Okay, just go out.
I don't wanna look at it.
Okay. I don't want to look at it. You get a spawn point. Just turn it tonight. You can spawn point. Wait. What? Oh my gosh. A maze. Okay. Gonna do this. Maybe there's parkour in the maze. Oh, wait. Where I am? Ooh.
Do you mean where am I?
Oi, you're almost there.
Am I?
Hey, you're almost there. Just go there.
Oh my god, you're so good.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just. Okay, what is this place?
I know this is a sword.
Yeah. What?
Oh.
You're kidding me, right? Oh my gosh. There's a
Oh,
cake.
there's a cake.
Why are cakes all hail Nyan Cat? What? Part 2 coming? And there's a Nyan
Oh,
Cat.
that's the Nyan Cat.
Oh! That's not the Nyan Cat. It's just a cat.
Bye, loser.
Oh. Yay! Just press the button. Just press the button over there.
Part 2.
Coming. Computer playing.
That's a bellet.
That's a bell. Okay.
It's time to blow it up.
Okay, it's time to blow it up. Okay, Jamie's gonna blow it because this map sucks. It's good. Just a little bit, but it sucks. Yeah,
Oh
because
my
the
God.
parkour. Wait. Parkour sucks. Wait, what happened?
Wala pa no.
Time to blow up.
Time to blow up. Time to blow up.
Time to blow up. Time to blow up. Time to blow up. Time to blow up.
Ready?
Oh,
Done, done.
yes. Oh no, the cat!
Oh yeah.
Wait,
Come on.
the cat.
Yes.
Now don't explode that thing, you know.
I wanna explode something. You know? Oh, that's not the interest.
Wait,
No way.
you could not taste dancing on the cakes. Wait. She cannot taste. The TNT floats because the cake. Yeah.
Okay. Just
Pero, run.
okay. Let's just sit here and relax.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh!
What just happened? Very good.
Okay, that's it, guys. So, please subscribe and like the video and comment, please. And please subscribe below. And please subscribe Jeff and Josh too. Okay? Why you firing Josh? And this is the pink is the pink is on set on fire. Ever. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hello, buddy. Hope you like it, guys. Bye. Hey. Bye, guys. Woo-hoo. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.